Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mamta's Spiritual Radiance. This is a tarot reading channel and today's session is for the star sign Scorpio for the month of September 2020. As usual, I'll begin with the signifactor card which indicates the main energy for the month of September for you, followed by the 5 card reading. Now friends, this is a general card reading and you need to take the key messages for the relevant aspects of your own personal questions or your personal life. All the discussion topics or all the readings that I give you may not resonate 100% with one single person. So take away the key messages from this session and do reach out to me if in case you need to have some more clarification or you need to do a personal reading for yourself. Please do like and subscribe to this channel as this keeps me motivated to do these videos more often. So let's begin with the reading now. So the key message from the Angels Tarot card for the month of September for Scorpion friends is the Justice, and the message for this card is fair and just decisions. Do what you know is right. Stand up for your belief. So this card is urging you to have self-confidence, to have faith in you and stand by your principles. Just try and see that no harm is done to people in and around you, or it could be you yourself. So let's see how this message resonates with the 5 card that we have here. The very first card that we have for Scorpions for the month of September is the 9 of Pentacles, and it depicts a lady in this picture who's happily surrounded by the bird here, by awesome weather in this garden, and she is well settled, financially well settled in her life. Now this lady is enjoying good health, good provisions, and is content with all the relations that she has in her life. This card is followed by the Chariot, wherein the person needs to be physically and mentally strong in order to drive this ride with the 2 phoenixes out here. So what it is asking is the beginning of September for Scorpions would be pleasant, would be good for you. You will have all the right resources, all the love and care from your family members. You will be doing very well in the month of September. What also you need to do is you need to practice or ensure that you're doing the right amount of justice to people around you. You might be catering, or you might be meeting the requirements of multiple people around you, and while doing so you need to take care that you ensure that everyone gets the right portion of attention from you. For ladies who handle family life, for people who are handling both career and family life, probably this is a message for you people to ensure that you're giving right proportions of justice or right proportions of care and attention to both the profiles. Why? Because the time says that we have also got the 5 of Cups here. So what this card says that probably there could be some interest, there could be some passions or some jobs which may not be keeping you happy, for which you would be disappointed. What is happening here is this person is crying over this 3 cups which is fallen down, but he is not paying attention to the still 2 standing cups here. So what may happen for you Scorpions is that probably you must have come around some disappointments, certain setbacks in your life, and you are so taken up, also consumed by these disappointments that you're not paying attention to what you still have around you. Probably some aspects of your life may not be doing as good as expected, which could be your career friend, which could be your relationships, people those who are single or into a relationship, probably it may not be going so well currently right now, or people may not be having so nice time in their career aspects right now. So they are so demotivated, or they're so consumed or taken aback by the setbacks that they're not able to focus, or they're not able to enjoy or appreciate that they have around. It could be family time, it could be support of your loved ones, or it could be that the opportunity that you still have a job, the opportunity or the realization that you still have a good paying job. You probably may not have received that incentive, or you probably may not have that advancement into your career, but you don't appreciate the nitty-gritty factors or the small things that you still have some other things going on, which is giving you this good time in the month of September. It's not that you're having any hardship. It's not that you're facing a lot of bad problems. But just because you could not manage to get something more in your life, probably you are regretting over it so much that you're not enjoying and appreciating that you have things around you. What happens because of this is that you might not also be able to identify or realize when the opportunity comes back to you offering a new page of cup. Now this page of cup means there could be new offering coming out to you for some new activity or new friendship or a new relationship. Something could be brewing up in the background. It is more related to relationship for young people out there. I see a young guy. For single Scorpion friends, you might be getting some kind of notions or some hints from some young admirer or some person in your work profile, or with a person who shares the same passion, but you may not be able to accept it, or you may not be able to identify in the first place because you're still crying over the spilled milk. So this is where you need to come out. This is where your message is coming, that justice. You need to ensure that you're focusing rightly everywhere. Don't try to be too consumed by the grief. We are not denying that you may have some grief for good reasons, some good valid reasons, but it doesn't mean that you have to be in sorrow all the time about to be. You also need to appreciate what the life has offered. You also need to appreciate the little happiness or the joyous moments that's coming around you. It could be coming from your loved ones. It could be your family, your kids, your parents. So start appreciating it, because those are the things that are still keeping you going on. Now, I would like to clarify the card, the spilled milk, which I said 5 of cups, followed by the page of cups, and would like to have clarity around the chariot as well. So let's see what the angels have to say about this card. Regarding the chariot, I got 6 of water. It came out very randomly itself. The message from you is memories from your history or childhood, issues regarding children, romanticizing the past. So what probably is happening is that you probably are having some flashbacks. You probably are disturbed by certain memories in the past that you must have lost, certain relationships which may not have gone as per your desire, your expectations, and you're so consumed by the fears developing from there, or by the disappointments coming from there, that you might not be able to appreciate the new relationships or the new offers coming up in your life. So that's where you need to be very careful. You need to have the strength to bring yourself out of those feeling of loss. You need to bring out yourself from the past and try to live in the present. Because when I clarified the page of cups, I got the star, and a star is a very good card. We often look upon the star and make a wish. So the key message that I get from you is happy times, make positive, optimistic, long-term plans. You're on the right path. So Scorpions, the message that I have for you is stop grieving. Don't be too consumed by one aspect of life when there's other aspect of life which is happening for you, because there's as such no scarcity, there's as such no financial drain, and you are doing well, but you are emotionally very drained or emotionally very disturbed because you're crying over certain things which happened in the past, which is coming out to you as flashback memories. Nothing has gone wrong with you in the present life, in the present scenario in the month of September, but some horrible dreams coming back and tormenting you, I would say. And that's the reason when I clarified this card, I got the Magician out here. Now the key message from the Magician is you are ready, you have the resources of the abilities to manifest them. Life is magical. So what is happening is, just because you were not successful in the past, or things did not work out for you well in the past, you're so frightened by it, you're so tabooed by it, that you don't want to take the next steps, or you don't want to follow the same path again. Because of this, you're not able to appreciate the new offering of a relationship, new offering of a new passion developing passion, new career skill. You're not able to take it up because you don't have the confidence in you. And what happens here is the card is Magician. Please don't doubt yourself. You have all the strength, you have all the ability to go ahead with the new path that is being offered to you. You will come across a new offer being made to you by someone from the same field, by someone from the same working area who would suggest something, and it would be to your liking as well, but you may hesitate. So don't do that, Scorpio, because it's the time when the wishes do come true. You will have to put in a lot of effort. If it's a new career option, you will have to work hard on that, and that's the reason you have the Chariot card. But this is gonna be helpful for you. So don't hesitate, Scorpio. So overall, Scorpio, come out into the past, stop living in the past, and enjoy what the future has to offer. Because you need to ensure that you do justice by all. You do justice to everyone around you and appreciate the small things, small love and affection that is being given out to you by your family. I hope this resonates with you, and if you wish to have more clarity, you can please reach out to me on the details given below. Hope you all the best for the month of September. Stay safe. Namaste.